Hi guys, today we're going to make two ninja stars. The first one, we're going to make the boomerang one. You need 4 sticks. And to make these popsicle stick ninja stars, you gotta be in a sofa or soft place. Or not, it's going to be hard. First, for the boomerang one, put put 2 sticks like this, and then you gotta put another stick like this. You gotta connect the edge of the green one to the other edge of the red one, and the green edge tip, whatever it is needs to connect to the middle part of the yellow one. After that, you gotta put the orange one under the red one like this, and then you gotta put the other tip of the orange one like this. And there you have it, the boomerang one. It's a really cool one. It's really great for aim, look. Never mind, it doesn't explode in the sofa, I guess. And this is how you make the 4 square one. First, you gotta put 2 sticks like this. Then another 2 sticks like this. A stick in the middle after that. And after that, you gotta put the tip of this blue one down there, under that, and then the other one under here. And that's how you make the 2 exploding ninja stars. That's the end. Goodbye.